Good morning, kids. How are you?
Good morning, Mr.
Fine. Good
Morning,
morning.
mister.
Good to see you guys today on a hot day. Yes, hot in here. And listen, reminders, ¿ok? Recordatorios. No he recibido actividades de ustedes todavía en plataforma. Los que me deben actividades, por favor, háganlo. ¿Me están escuchando?
Yes.
Porque revisen, ¿a dónde están mis actividades? ¿A dónde están?
Biblioteca de clase.
Biblioteca de clase. Ahí están, ¿ok? Ahí está un documento que dice Pending Activities. Acuérdense, es solamente hasta el viernes. Sábado ya no. Ni domingo tampoco. El viernes tienen, ¿ok? Hasta las 6 de la tarde. Porque yo voy a revisar eso. Y si ya no están, déjenme contarles que hay muchos alumnos que tienen 20 de zona. En esta clase no hay exámenes, ¿ok? No hay exámenes. Entonces son 100%. ¿Qué significa eso? Que todos los que me han entregado las actividades van a tener un buen punteo. Siempre revisen biblioteca de clase, revisen la lista, por favor. Y miren ustedes que si está su nombre ahí, manden esa actividad por plataforma. No por WhatsApp. No, por favor, no recibo nada por WhatsApp. Tiene que ser por plataforma, porque en plataforma queda la fecha que ustedes lo enviaron. ¿Ok? Es muy importante. No me lo manden por WhatsApp. ¿Ok? Porque no lo voy a recibir y lo voy a tomar como que no se envió. ¿Ok? Por favor. ¿Ok? Now, go back to the class. Yay! Okay. Yesterday we were talking about the moon, correct?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
okay.
we
The
were reading the comprehension about the moon.
Good, but right now we're gonna learn the benefits of the moon, okay? What are the benefits that we receive from the moon? Any idea?
How do you say olas of the ocean?
The waves.
Tides, yes. We got the low tides and high tides, okay? Low tides, that means less water. Yes, low tides. High tides, more water. Yes, high tides begin after noon. And like after 12 o'clock, the high tides begin to raise. And then we have more water, okay? And what else? What other benefits do we have that we receive from the moon?
Night.
Huh?
Night.
Not.
Night.
Night. She said night.
Light at
The
night.
darkness.
Yes. Over here in Puerto Barrios, we have some electricity, but there are some villages in Guatemala that don't have energy, like electricity. You know? When we don't have electricity, it's really hard to see at night. You see? But during this, when we have a full moon, especially when we have a full moon, that means that during the night, it's very light. You can see a lot, like the light. Yes. Now, what other benefits do you know?
The eclipse.
Yeah, eclipse, yes. But the only thing, another benefit is planting. Planting. Yes.
Are there plants in the moon?
No, Millie. Yes, the phases of the moon. We have the phases. We have full moon, right? We have first quarter, and then we have the second quarter, and then we have the third quarter, and then we have no moon. So these phases right here, we're gonna learn the phases right now. So these phases, they have to know, people, especially the farmers, they know exactly when to plant their crops in order for them to get good food, okay? This is what we're going to show you right now. Let me see here. I hope it's this one. I'm gonna try, okay? Let me see, where is it? Here. Good. Oh, no, sorry. I did it wrong. Yes. Beautiful. Let's go.
Hello friends! Welcome to a new video from Happy Learning. Today we are going to learn about the moon. The moon is the only satellite that rotates around our planet. And it takes 28 days to completely go around.
Did you see the way the moon rotates around the planet? Yes, very interesting, okay? The moon, it's a satellite, it's the Earth's satellite, and it rotates around our planet. How long does it take to make its revolution?
28 days.
28 days, very good, okay?
28 days.
28 days.
Yes, don't forget that because I'm gonna be asking you questions, yes.
On the Earth. But do we know what a satellite is? A natural satellite is any kind of celestial body that rotates, or actually orbits around the planet. The moon is...
That's a satellite, okay? Have you ever heard about satellites? You know, NASA sends satellites.
Yes.
Hey, do you know why do we receive here internet signal?
Because in the atmosphere there is an
Because of the satellite.
artificial satellites.
satellite.
Yes, they have.
Because of the satellite.
Then there is another. There's satellites for GPS to locate people. You know, you just go like this, and then you say, "Oh, there she is. Oh, there he is." A satellite. What is what does a satellite do? Circulates or spins around the planet. Okay, taking pictures of the planet. That's how we see the Earth from the space. Okay, let me rewind over here.
A celestial body that rotates, or actually orbits around the planet. The moon is never still. It moves in two ways.
Do you see that? Do you see the sun right here? Do you see the sun?
Yes.
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 Okay, this is how, look at the moon over here. This is how we get the light on the moon. This is why we see it at night. Okay, depending on the position of the moon. The sun never moves, okay? What happened here? The sun never moves, but this, yes, is constantly moving.
The moon is never still.
Do you see how it's changing over here? Look. You have the light over here and it's dark on the other side. You see? Light over here, dark. Light, dark. Yes.
It moves in two ways. It has a movement of rotation and a movement of translation. That is...
Okay, so do you understand this, right? Do you understand that? So it has...
Yes, mister.
It has
rotation and translation.
yes, it's going like this. And it's
The same that the other planet.
and also moving. Yes. Interesting things, yes? Okay. Now, good. I'm gonna rewind up the video and then have your notebooks ready, okay? Because you're not gonna remember anything. Have your notebooks ready and take notes, okay? Everybody. We have to take notes, okay? Daniel? Notebook and pen, yes? Oh my God. Edwin, are you ready with your pen? Edwin Lopez?
Yes, mister.
Do you have your notebook ready?
What did you say?
Do you have your notebook ready?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah?
I think yes.
Okay, good. Carlos, ready? Julia?
Yes, mister.
Yes.
Okay, good. Anna? Ready?
Yes.
All right, Anita. Say something, Anna. You like to talk a lot in class, and now you don't talk over here? Talk. Yay. Anna is back. Good. Angel, Kaylee, Mia, Angela, Sebastian, Leonardo, ready with your notebooks? Right on.
Yes, mister.
Excellent. I'm gonna go over here. Derek, you have your notebook?
Yes, mister.
Excellent. Brittany, Scarlett, Erika, Daniela, Catherine. Right on. I saw it. Good. Good. Daniela, Brittany, notebook. Jeramel, where are you?
Mister.
Okay, beautiful, Jeramel. I like that shirt. Excellent shirt. Yes? Not like the one you had before. Excellent. Okay, so I'm gonna rewind this video right here. We're gonna start the video again, okay? I need you to write it, the moon, as a title. The moon. Yes? The moon.
Hello friends! Welcome to a new video from Happy Learning. Today we are going to learn about the moon. The moon is the only satellite that rotates around our planet.
Yes. What is the moon?
The only
The only
satellite that
satellite.
rotates
Light that have the
Beautiful. Yes, the only satellite that rotates around our planet. The only satellite that rotates around our planet. Yes. The moon
Sorry,
is.
mister, I lost the connection.
Yes, I know. Don't worry. Jorge, your notebook, take notes, okay? Notebook ready and take notes.
Copy, mister.
Of course, take notes means copy. Yes, just write down just only that. The moon is the only satellite that rotates around our planet. Good. How long does it take to do its rotation?
28 days.
28 days.
Yes, and
28 days.
it takes 28 days. Yes. That's all.
Mister, can I go to the bathroom, please?
I'm sorry?
Mister, can I go to the bathroom, please?
Oh, yes, and who's going to copy this? But hurry up. Okay, right now. Ready?
Mister, I brought it.
Beautiful. Okay, good. All right, Sebastian, did you copy it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna continue here. Remember, that rotates around our planet and it takes 28 days. Okay.
And it takes 28 days to completely go around the Earth. But do we know what a satellite is? A natural satellite is any kind of celestial body that rotates.
What is a satellite anyway? A satellite is any kind of celestial body that orbits around a planet, okay? That's a satellite. Copy that, okay? What is a satellite?
How it rise the world?
What is a satellite? What is a satellite?
What letters does that word have?
Of celestial body that rotates or actually orbits around a planet.
Exactly, that's a satellite, yes. Let me see over here.
Profe,
Yes,
¿hay que copiar eso?
yes.
¿Siguiendo lo anterior o...?
No, what is a satellite?
Mister, put it on the big screen video.
Yes. What is a satellite? It's any kind of celestial body that rotates and orbits around a planet. What is a satellite? You can answer this, okay? What a satellite is, okay? Excellent. Next. Let's continue here. Good. Excellent.
Or actually orbits around the planet. The moon is never still. It moves in two ways.
Wait.
It has a movement of rotation.
It has rotation. The moon has rotation.
And translation.
And a movement of translation. That is to say,
and translation. Yes. Excellent.
Mister, can I go to the bathroom?
And who's going to copy this for you? There's coming back, mister. You can go, but are you gonna stay behind?
it rotates around the Earth. The duration of the movement of rotation and translation is 28 days. Because it takes the same amount to rotate on its own axis and to completely go around the Earth, the moon always shows us the same face.
See? It's the same face always showing. The same face. Like this section here, it's always facing. This is the only face that we see.
When we observe the moon along a period of time, it appears to change shape. These changes in appearance are called lunar phases. And
lunar. What are the lunar phases?
They are 4 phases that I don't remember what is the name of it.
Phases.
Are called lunar phases, and they repeat every 28.
Yes, lunar phases. Yes. It's the appearance of the moon. Lunar phases is the appearance of the moon. Okay. It's how it appears on sky. In the sky, I'm sorry. There are 4 phases. You can learn the 4 phases right now.
Days. There are 4. Full moon, first quarter, new moon, and last quarter.
Good. We have the 4 phases of the moon, okay? Full moon is when you see the whole moon completely. Well, one side, okay? The other side is dark all the time. But here, you can see the whole round. Yes. First quarter, it's on the half right here. Watch. First quarter. New moon, that means no moon. In this section here, you don't see the moon, okay? You don't see a moon. And the last quarter, it's the other way around, like the opposite of first quarter. Yes. There are other phases, but some people explain this in a difficult way, and I think I like this better. Because if you see, have you ever seen a moon like this section only? Watch. Section right here. That's the first quarter. On this one right here, second quarter. And then we have the third quarter, depending on how we are looking at the moon, okay? So, but this is very good for planting and for the tides.
The moon phases are produced by two reasons: the movement of the moon around the Earth, and because the moon reflects light from the sun as a mirror. New moon. In this phase, the moon is passing between the Earth and the sun.
Did you see the new moon right here? Over here is dark, facing the Earth. It's dark. The dark part is facing the Earth. And on this phase, we don't see a moon. We don't see it. Okay.
The illuminated phase of the moon is facing the opposite direction to Earth. The dark side ends up facing the Earth, and this is why we cannot see the moon. First quarter. You can see approximately 1 week after the new moon. One half of the
Look at this. This is where half of the moon is being reflected.
illuminated side faces the Earth. It is called the first quarter because from the new moon phase, the zone illuminated by the sun grows every time. Full moon. Approximately a week after the first quarter, we can see the whole moon illuminated. The Earth is between the moon.
Look, and now it's on the other side over here. Watch. So takes about 28 days, right, people? 28 days. It begins from here. Here, it's gonna be a full moon, and then it's gonna over here. It changes in this section here. Let me see if I can write it over here. Yes. When it's like over here, this is going to change, and when it's all like over here, it's gonna change, and when it's over here, obviously here we have no moon at all. Yes, so it's like 4 sections, 4 positions on the planet. Good.
Of the sun, and we can see it fully.
Wait. Oh, okay, good. Okay, now
Last quarter. The moon presents its other half phase illuminated. The name from the last quarter comes from the fact that the illuminated side becomes smaller and smaller each time. A very easy trick to know whether the moon is in its first or last quarter is the following. If the moon has the shape of a C, it is in the last quarter. And if it has the shape of a D, it is in the first quarter.
Yes, it's easy to identify, right? If you see a C, if you can draw a C on the light, it's the last quarter. If you can draw a D, it's the first quarter. See, in the position. Take note of that, please. Yes, good, thank God. All right.
So now you know, the moon has 4 phases. New moon, first quarter, full moon, and last quarter.
Beautiful. Ever, what are the phases of the moon?
Full moon, new moon, first quarter, and last quarter.
Very nice. Right.
Now we are going to learn a few facts about the moon. Do you know the distance between the moon and the Earth?
Distance.
Although it looks as it's not very far.
Write down on the notebook, distance from Earth to the moon. Write it down. Yes. not far away. Did you copy this? Distance from Earth to the moon is? Did you copy that?
No.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Miss, I'm copying everything in a only paragraph. It's okay.
Excellent, excellent. Because then you're gonna talk to me about it, okay? Don't. Good. Are you learning new things? Kids, are you learning something today?
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
Yes, interesting things, huh? Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Daniel, did you copy this? For some reason, I don't believe you. Okay.
Far away, the moon is about 385,000 kilometers from the Earth.
385,000 kilometers from the Earth. Yes. This is the distance. So it's not really far away.
Another very interesting fact is that a rocket takes 3 days to get to the moon.
Wow. A rocketeer, it takes 3 days to get from Earth to the moon. 3 days, okay? A rocketeer.
Mister, you can wait. I'm going to copy that.
Yes, copy. Yes, a rocket, here, this is a rocket right here. A rocket takes 3 days to get to the moon. Uh-oh, gotta make it quicker. Ready? Ready?
It's incredible, isn't it? The first astronaut that stepped on the moon was Neil Armstrong.
Here, the first astronaut that stepped on the moon was Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong. Write it down. Daniel, you're not copying anything, Daniel. Copy it, please. We got 4 minutes. Ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, mister.
Okay. Millie, are you ready? Brittany? Scarlett? Edwin?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Mia?
Yes.
Good.
And this very important accomplishment occurred in the year 1969 aboard on the Apollo 11 rocket. The moon is 4 times smaller than the Earth, which is very important.
So the moon is 4 times smaller than Earth. 4 times smaller. 4 times smaller than Earth. The moon is 4 times smaller than Earth.
Mister, in the last video, he says it's 6 times more than Earth.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, there is a discrepancy right there. Good to know.
For the sustainability of life in our planet. The moon generates tides. Do you know what a tide is? A tide is the rise and fall of the sea level. They occur every 6 hours approximately. Well, now you know a little bit more about the...
See, this is the tide. Here, low tide. High tide. Easy, more water. Yes, but the tides, we're going to talk about it tomorrow, okay, in the next class. Very nice. Good. Beautiful. Excellent.
Mister, I like this class about the moon.
Yes, interesting things. That's
Beautiful.
That's our third unit, okay? Our third unit is going to be to learn new things, okay? About any other what subject? We know a lot of things, okay?
There is a channel called Un Poco de Todo.
Yeah, I don't like it. When it's too much, you're not going to receive a lot. It's one thing at a time, really, one thing at a time. And then you learn, okay? When you're reading about a lot of things, and you're not going to memorize all that. Yes. Derek, what did you learn?
I do.
I know you're very sharp. Derek, what did you learn about the video?
About the moon.
Derek.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, Mister.
Oh my God. Do I have to repeat the question? Okay.
Yes, please.
What did you learn about the
Sir.
video?
I have a question. About the moon.
Oh, about the moon, yes. Sebastian, what else did you learn?
Well, the moon have rotates and translates.
Aha, very nice. Thank you. Jess, hey, what else did you learn? Catherine?
Mister, I have a question.
Jess, who's telling me that?
Julia.
Julia, yes.
Mister, let's expose for the moon.
I'm sorry?
Let's expose for the moon.
I don't understand that, Julia.
Vamos a exponer de la luna.
Ah, yeah, to do a presentation. Look, maybe, but not yet, okay? Because right now, next week you have exams, so I don't want to give you so much work, okay?
Okay.
So yes, all right. Carlos, what else did you learn about the moon?
The moon is 385 kilometers for the air.
In distance.
Distance.
Distance. Very nice. Saparoli?
Yes.
What did you learn? What else did you learn?
Ya le dije.
One more. Aha, you only know one, right?
The air have 4 phrases.
4 phases. Yes. Mia, what did you learn? Thank you, Saparoli.
What?
Yes, what did you learn? What else did you learn about the moon? You have it on the notebook.
The rotation of the moon and the translation.
Yes, somebody else said that. If I ask Diego, Diego's gonna tell me the whole story about the moon. Watch. Diego, what did you learn about the moon?
I learned about the moon that a rocket takes 3 days to get to the moon.
Yes, very good. Yes, Guillen?